up. You're probably looking at the description and you're saying, what is he talking about? What's he talking about, Willis? I can't go through the charts. My Thinkorswim is jacked up. It's I'll show you in a minute, but it's all delayed and it's really slow. And I haven't experienced that in a long time. So this will just be a quick video. I can't bring up what I'm doing, and but I can't really go through the charts. So we'll just talk about this, and then I'll go ahead and bring up the heat map to see what was moving. I know the S&P did not reach a record. It flirted with it all day. I almost wish it would come so we could see what it's going to do. Is it going to fade, right? Or is it gonna hold it and then blow through it, and then we can get it kind of out the way? So, I want that to happen. It could actually, do what it's doing today, for a long time, a long time to come. So hopefully that doesn't happen. All right, so here it is, man. The Dow was down. Today's Monday, right? Monday. Turnaround Tuesday tomorrow. Turnaround Tuesday. Anyway, Monday, 86,000, down 86. And everything else was up, right? And then the VIX, we almost at a 20 VIX. I wish I could show you that. Oh, man. So let's see what was moving. Let's see what was moving exactly and look at this heat map real quick. And I do overall, even though the Dow was down, I see a lot of green. The only thing is down here, right? The banks, bright red, not just red, bright red. 2.43%. Oh man, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, the majors, right? Berkshire down. I'm not certain, but I think Berkshire. Then he dropped Goldman Sachs and all that stuff, and I think that's what's going on. His portfolio kind of, what is that schedule comes out for the IRS for Schedule K or some crap, where you can see his position, you see his trades for the last quarter. So we know he bought some gold and he was down some banks, so I think that's why the banking is all down like that. But other than that, Boeing was down too, man. I'm selling puts on that thing. GE, what is that? All the airlines right there. And this is kind of cool where you could just pick out those bright reds and see, what is going on? Look at Qualcomm's down. NVIDIA up 6.76%. Intel even up. AMD, Qualcomm and Micron. What's going on there? I want to buy some Qualcomm. But I got to wait. Until I make some more money in one of my other portfolios and then transfer it to the other account so I can just buy some Qualcomm. So if it goes down, whatever. But other than that's kind of mixed. Look at the majors: Microsoft, Amazon's up nice, Google, but then Facebook, man. I'm heavy in Facebook. Come on. I took a nice size put spread for a credit in Google today, and Apple it's up. What can you say? It's up. You can't bring this thing down. So I'll show you what's going on. Here's my positions, and now it's saying real-time data. Like, let's try to pull up the VIX real quick, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. VIX, see, nothing. Absolutely nothing. You know what I forgot to bring up? my chat. Hold on, y'all. Bring up my chat window. Okay, if you said something before, I did not see it. So I got it up now. And it doesn't when I bring it up, it doesn't bring up what was there. It starts like right now. So you have to retype and everything. But yeah, see, I pulled up the VIX. I don't know what's going on. I haven't seen this in a long time. So I pull up the Qs. See, nothing. I have no idea what's going on. So, but I can bring up my monitor tab, and this is everything I got going on. Walmart was up huge. I tweeted it out earlier. I told y'all about some Walmart, didn't I? I was giving y'all another great pick by Dre Trades. I was kind of milking this thing for weeks, selling those covered calls, and now we finally got the move. Now, I sold the 133 call that expires this week. I think earnings come out tomorrow morning, or tomorrow after the bell, one of the two. And I can't check it out. Damn it. I sold it for $3 basically, right? So basically, I'm good to 136. The stock right now is trading at 135.81. So I'm happy with that. I don't care if it goes to 137, 138, to 139.40. Well, I get mad if it gets like that high, but you know what I'm saying. And I plan on just taking those profits and maybe closing out that. And depending on, or I don't know, I might do some more covered calls on it. I'm not quite sure yet. I have to think about that, but. I mean, here's the move. I'm up $700 for the position, $577 for today, and that's even with selling those covered calls. So I really like this trade that I've been working, man. I've been working that trade. You know, the Walmart, the Google's still doing its thing. I sold the 1450, the 1400. It's just not getting no traction, man. It's hanging around that 15, 16. I've been actually thinking about selling a diagonal on it. You know, where I go out like 2 weeks, buy a deep in the money call, like deep, and then coming out the near week and selling right there at the money, right? And get all that extrinsic value. If I could bring that up. I don't know if this is updated. Let me see. All my options up there, look, waiting for data. Could be waiting forever. I don't even know if I'm streaming. I might have to check that out. It could be my internet's all messed up. Let me see. I'm checking it out, waiting for my picture to draw. Yeah. It looks like I'm live. So I'll go with that. Okay, yeah. I'm live. All right. So I guess it's just a chart thing. So I can't show you the what that spread will bring, but it'll be about $2,000. And since, you know, Google hasn't been going anywhere, we could pull up this. Let's see, and pull up some Google and pull up the daily. You see right there at the end, right? It's just going sideways. So I could sell that 1500. I actually been thinking about doing that. Since you want to play the sideways game, you know, I could take advantage of that and sell some premium right there at the money. So it's a riskier trade, but hey, you know, you need risk. You need risk to get reward. So that's what I was thinking about that. Don't know if I went, but I did sell a wide put spread in my other account. I sold the 1500, 1400 put spread. So I did sell right there at the money, but I wish I would have done it. I like the doing it that. It's almost the same as doing the diagonal. It's almost the same, but I like doing the diagonal better than the actual put spread. So I gotta bring up my comments again. I think I lost it. All right. So that's that. Uber sold that put. Should have did more. I knew it. It's down $20. I mean, it's down. I'm up $20. Amazon, I don't know why. I don't think these things is up. I mean, here it says Amazon was up $34, and now it's down 60 for the day. It says I was up $5.98, but just before the bell rung, I was up like 1,400. So I think these option prices adjusted and all that. You know, Boeing's down hard. I thought about selling some more puts on that. And DraftKings is up. Well, that's a good trade by me. I sold some put spreads. Just one. I won't say some, but I'm up $25 in that. Carrier, all right. Remember, I had a call. So what I did was go out to December, the same month, same expiration week, and sold the 29 call. So basically, I'm saying I'm done with that trade. I sold it for $330. So 29, 30, 31, 32. Basically, I'm covered till 32.30 on the trade. Right now, it's trading at 29.83. I'm good. And then on the downside, it's 29 minus 330. This thing would to close at $28.99. I keep that $3.30, right? And everything is all good. So I'm looking to get out of that position as we get closer to December. Twitter, I sold. I had 2 calls. I didn't like the action today. Just got out of it. Remember, I told you Twitter will break your heart. So I remembered that, and I'm out. I think it's starting to break my heart. And then Facebook is just, you know, it had its run. Why did I do this? It's not going to work. It had its run, and I think it's going sideways. Let's pull up a FinViz chart on it real quick. And yeah, see that little sideways action at the end. So I don't know, man. It's still trending up. It's holding that gap, So I think one day we pop. It's just been putting these dojis in, So I don't know. Indecision with those last several days. So see what the weekly looks like. Kind of like the weekly. It's kind of making a bull flag, right? I don't like that one. Don't like the monthly, but the month is still going on. That's kind of bull flaggish, up and a little over sideways. So, George, you saying this market is out of hand? LOL. I agree, but I guess that all-time high on the SPY is in effect. Is in sight, I should say, and I guess so. It's in sight. The market's got to tag it. And then what happens next? I don't know. I really don't. If it follows the path of the Qs, I guess we go higher. Does it pause and wait for the Russell to catch up? Look at the Qs. Look how much above that high it is, right? Wow, it's just incredible. And then let's look at the small caps. I can't believe I'm using FinViz. So maybe it hangs out and waits. By the way, that looks bullish. It looks like a bull flag trying to form. And maybe it hangs out and waits for small caps, But I tell you what, if the banks were acting like they was acting, I don't know about some small caps. Anyway, so I got to just end it there. I just wanted to show you what I was doing. My charts are not working. Hopefully it's not like that forever, because then I won't be able to make videos. I have to make FinViz videos. Anyway, so, hey, what do y'all think is going on, with anything, man? Put it in the comments so we can talk about it. Talk about it on the next video. And any questions, put it in, all that stuff. Or Dre Trades on Twitter, Dre Trades on Instagram, and right here on Dre Trades. Hit any comments and we talk about it. So I'm Dre, and thanks for watching. Oh, wait a minute. Did I get a comment at the last minute? George, you said 40K profit in Tesla. Isn't that believable? I missed it. I can't bring it up. I know Tesla.